This is another important factor, and that is safety. Now, in our experience, and I know if you think South Africa, we immediately think it's an unsafe environment. But the interesting thing is the further you go away from towns or from settlements, the safer the environment becomes. I'm trying to think now, but when we lived in Groot Marico and we were quite far out, we slept in tents, so we didn't even have doors to lock. Where we stay right now, we sleep with open doors. We're not scared at all to leave doors locked. But that said, we are very far away. So we're at least 40 kilometers away from town, and the closest settlement is probably about 35 kilometers from where we stay. So that's very safe. But if I think back about where we stayed close to Lanseria, which is close to an airport, there were quite a few townships close by. We actually had multiple break-ins there, and there were farm murders and things like that. So that is a very big consideration. Now, the moment you go that far away from any town, there's certain implications. The first one is you will get dirt roads because that far out, there's never tar roads. So the chances are you might need a new car, such as a 4x4 or at the minimum a bakkie, to be able to get from place to place. Another challenge we have is that we try and go to town once a week. But when we do, we know it's a full day affair because you're just not going to, it takes an hour to get there, an hour to get back. And then if you have to do everything you have to do, a day is gone. So, but the closer to town also, the closer to cell phone towers, trucks on the roads, and you're thus closer to EMF. So there's definitely benefit in being further away